The Porsche 911. Just saying the name sends shivers down the spine of any car enthusiast. It's a legend, a statement, a symbol of automotive excellence. And within the 911 family, the GTS badge has always held a special place. It's the sweet spot. Not too hardcore, not too soft, just right. Goldilocks would approve. The 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. It takes this legacy and cranks it up to 11. This isn't just a refresh, it's a statement. Porsche has listened to its devotees and delivered a machine that's sharper, faster, and more desirable than ever before. But don't think for a minute that they've messed with the formula too much. You'll still recognize that iconic silhouette. The sloping roofline, the bulging rear haunches, the eyes that seem to stare right through you. It's unmistakably a 911. However, look closer, and you'll see the subtle design tweaks that hint at the beast lurking beneath. Larger air intakes, a more aggressive front splitter, those signature center lock wheels. This is a car that means business. Let's talk numbers, shall we? Because with a car like this, they tell a story. Nestled behind the rear axle lies a twin-turbocharged 3-liter flat-six engine. It churns out a mighty 473 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to propel you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 3.2 seconds. But it's not just about raw power. It's how that power is delivered, seamlessly, effortlessly. Like a hot knife through butter. You have a choice of a 7-speed manual or an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission. Both are superb. The manual for the purists offers that satisfying mechanical connection, the PDK for those who crave lightning-fast shifts and optimal performance. And let's not forget the sound. Oh, that sound. A symphony of mechanical fury that will make the hairs on your neck stand on end. It's a sound that's both intoxicating and addictive. The kind of sound that makes you want to find the nearest tunnel and just unleash the beast. But don't be fooled into thinking this is a one-trick pony. The 2024 GTS is just as happy cruising along a coastal road as it is tearing up a racetrack. It's a car that can do it all, and do it incredibly well. Driving the 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS is an experience unlike any other. It's a car that feels hardwired to your brain. Turn the wheel, and it responds with telepathic precision. Hit the brakes, and it comes to a halt with the force of 1,000 suns. This is a car that inspires confidence. The steering is perfectly weighted, providing just the right amount of feedback. The suspension is firm, but forgiving, absorbing bumps and dips in the road without sacrificing handling. And the grip, well, let's just say it's like the car is glued to the tarmac. Compared to previous models, the 2024 GTS feels even more agile. More responsive, sharper. It's like Porsche took everything that was good about the previous generation and turned it up to 11. This is a car that feels alive. It's a car that makes you feel alive. Whether you're carving up canyons or cruising down the highway, the GTS delivers an experience that's both exhilarating and rewarding. It's a car that you'll never want to stop driving. Section 4. Luxury and Tech, a cockpit, fit for a racing driver. Step inside the cabin of the 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. And you'll find a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The materials are top-notch, with soft leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents throughout. The seats are supportive and comfortable even after hours behind the wheel. But it's the driver-focused cockpit that truly sets the GTS apart. The steering wheel is a work of art, with perfectly placed controls and a satisfyingly thick rim. The instrument cluster features a central analog tachometer flanked by 2 digital displays, providing all the information you need at a glance. And of course, no modern sports car would be complete without the latest technology. The 2024 GTS comes standard with a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. You also get a premium sound system, a head-up display, and a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. The verdict, a true driver's dream. The 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS is more than just a car. It's an experience. It's a statement. It's a masterpiece of automotive engineering. It's a car that stirs the soul and ignites the senses. It's a car that's both exhilarating and rewarding to drive. A car that's equally at home on a racetrack or a winding country road. A car that's both luxurious and practical. Yes, it's expensive, but some things in life are worth paying for. And the 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS is one of them. It's a car that will leave you grinning from ear to ear every time you get behind the wheel. It's a car that you'll cherish for years to come. Who should buy one? This isn't a car for everyone, and thank heavens for that. You don't buy a GTS because you need a car. You buy it because you a GTS. It's for the drivers who crave the perfect balance of performance and luxury, the ones who appreciate the finer things in life, the ones who demand the very best. If you're looking for a comfortable cruiser to waft around town in, look elsewhere. But if you want a car that will set your heart racing, a car that will make you feel truly alive, then the 2024 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS is the car for you. Just be prepared to remortgage your house. It's worth it, trust me.